Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can go ahead and connect your Facebook lead to HubSpot. And it's very easy. You actually need to log into HubSpot, okay? And make sure you're also logged in to your Meta Ads Manager so it's easier to connect. Now, from your dashboard, click on this gear cog to access your settings, okay? Now from here, I want you to scroll all the way down and wherever you see your marketing, go ahead and click on that, and then I want you to click on ads. Now, on this page, click on Get Started with Ads. As you can see here, we have a Facebook, right? So go ahead and click on this. And now here we need to choose an ad network. We'll choose Facebook ads. And here we go. It is opening up a pop-up. So we need to consent, okay? They want access. So we'll go ahead and continue. That's why I wanted you to go ahead and make sure you're already signed in, because otherwise you'd have to sign in again right here. Just click on continue as whatever your username is. Go ahead and click on that, okay? There you go. So it is connecting me with Facebook from HubSpot, okay? And the connection has been done. And now we can choose our Facebook ad accounts. So we already have this one right here. So I'll connect this account. Okay, there you go. Our account has been successfully connected, right? And then next you can start syncing your leads. So just click on next, sync leads. And here we go. So we have different pages. So I have this page right here. Okay. And I want to go ahead and sync all the new and recent leads. Or if you want, you can also just toggle this one on for only new leads to HubSpot. And then click on next. Okay. And here what you can do is add a pixel to track visitors to your website as well. If you want, you can choose that. And then you can go ahead and go to ads, or you can skip this step. But otherwise, you're basically done because we have synced our leads. Okay. And it's really that easy and simple.